You have 5 seconds to remember the location of the hidden items. Where is the pineapple? Where is the blackberry? Where is the papaya? Please like the video if you get first 3 answers correct. Where is the avocado? Where is the watermelon? What is missing? If you remember, write in the comments and I will like it.